And I'm going to be demoing my design tube web application, which is built on Ruby on Rails, and it's for my Flatiron school project. Mm, okay, so this project and design tube, it's YouTube clone, which is built based on the idea of, I mean, like a YouTube, but YouTube is mostly on videos. It's going to be like on design, so I just pre-fill it with some like animal pictures, but we can create our own pictures and we can add our own designs, and then we can show it. I mean, it's not going to be exactly the same like YouTube, but still, I mean, most of the idea is going to be like YouTube, and hopefully in the future, I'll just complete it, like make it a complete design tube, which will be based on pictures, but it's not going to be like a YouTube, it's going to be like a design tube. So for now, it's working. I mean, okay, so for this project, we had some requirements, I mean, that we have to be able, I mean, to log in, to sign up, to be able, I mean, to log in with Google or any other platform, and then you should be able, I mean, to um, edit, delete, like basically all the CRUD actions, redesign, I mean, read, create, delete, and update, and then for some nested routes, and we will, I mean, like have to comment on them, or I mean, like a nested route. So I did work on all those, I mean, requirements. So let me just walk you through the whole project. Okay, so here again, I mean, so this for my project, I mean, design tube, you can basically create pictures or designs. You can pick see designs. You can see the designs like every time like you are looking at design, the views goes up, and then again. You can create collages of designs. So let's say you have okay, so I'll go over each and every one of them one on one. Okay, so first of all, let me just sign up. Okay, okay, let me okay, sign up. I'll just give it my name. Okay, and just a random name. Okay, let's see that gmail.com. Okay, username, I'll just pick name and password, simple. Okay, here we go, I'm logged in. Okay, okay, so just to show if it's working or not. Okay, I want to log in with my username and with my password. Okay, so here it's working. Okay, see, okay, these are the designs that are already pre-filled, like the seeded these data into my database. Okay, so again, I have all these pictures, I mean, all these designs already, and these are mostly the animal names. And I use the faker J, which every time, like, I mean, you will see like a different picture. And here, like, the view for this one is 1, and let's say if I refresh this one, it's gonna give me, the view will go up to 2. And then the picture, I mean, they'll give me random pictures, like different pictures every time. It's because the faker gem, and they're like by every click, I mean, they'll give you another different picture. That was just, I mean, I just seeded some data into it, so that should be fine. I mean, if we add our own picture, that should be fine. Okay, or design. Okay, here I can go back, I mean, to design, and I can come back, I mean, to this design, and I can edit it. Let's say the name is unforgiven. I can just name it like forgiven, and I updated it. Okay, so the name got changed, and then if I want, I can delete it. But let's say if I just comment on this one. Okay, just comment it. Okay, nice. Okay, it says that, I mean, Shah, I mean, this user has commented on this picture. Okay, and if I just go back to home, and if I want to find, let's say, I mean, this name got changed, I mean, from that was unforgiven, so I changed it to forgiven. So I can search for designs that I already have it, or let's say if I add, like, if I add my own designs. Okay, okay, so here if I just give it like a portion of the name that I have here, like for, and so it's forgiven. So if I just give it for, it will go into my database and try to find like exactly something like for. If not anything which have like at least, I mean, for in like any word that has for with it, that will query that and that will give it to us. Okay, so we have Forest Gump and we have Forgiven. So we can search. I mean, so we did search that too. Okay, find that too. And then if I want to, okay, these are the most recent. These are the most recent that designs that I visited. Okay, that I have seen. And then if I want to create new design. Okay, I can create a new design. And here if you see the view got, I mean the layout got changed, because like if you are in YouTube and if you're creating a new video, or yeah, if you're creating a new video, or then the layout gets changed and the name changes into studio. So I just thought like, okay, it's going to be nice if I just take that idea. So here I change the name to studio, and I can create a name. I can create a new design. So I just again give it a name like Ahmad, and design, let's see, I just want to make sure that I haven't created that picture before. Okay, description, anything, Shah. I will just pick one URL. Let me see. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I created my own design, and right now, I mean, I can go back. I mean, to back to designs. I can edit this one, and I can delete it. Okay. So, okay, and if I want to create like new collage, I can create. Okay, if I go back, I mean to create new design. Here, I'm creating a new design. Like let's say I name it Ahmad or whatever, and I'm creating a collage. I mean, if I have collage, right? Selection of collages that are already built it for. So I can go into those collages from existing collage, and I can choose one of those collages, and I create a collage for them. But if I don't have any collage there, then what can I do? I mean, I can just give it a new name, like new collage. Okay, and I can give it like a new, like this description collage. Okay, and this is it's going to. I'll just name this AH and BH. I'm sorry, I'm not very clever with names. Okay. Okay. So this picture resolution, I think it's very high. Okay. So I created a new design with a collage. Okay. So here if I go to all collages, it tells me that I have a collage. Okay. And now if I want to create a new design, let's say I'm creating another design by the name of BH, and here if I choose a different picture, okay, so let's say if I'm choosing this one, and here I have a new collage. I can choose this one, or I can choose a new name. Then that's gonna be another collage. So I'm choosing that one, and I'm adding this picture or design to that collage. Okay. So let's see if I go to collages now. Okay, I have two pictures, AH and BH. Now I can go to this collage, and I can go to, I mean, this design of the collage, and I can go to this design of the collage. Okay. And here I can take it back, I mean, to collage designs. I mean, it will take us back, I mean, to design collage, and I can take them back, I mean, to the back to okay, back, and I can delete this collage. Okay. Or I can create a new collage. Again, we are in studio. So by this, I mean, I create a collage called, let's say, call it SH. I give it description of, I mean, SHAH. Okay. And you can create as many designs, as many collages. So let's say if I want to create new design, I mean, for this SH collage 1 2 3. Okay, I can name them, or I can just, I mean, leave them blank and I create one. Okay, so SH collage already, I mean, I've created this one too. And okay, I think I covered most of them, but okay, so let me just log out, and I want to demo how to okay, so this is like a basic rundown of, I mean, my project, but I want to show like how can I log in with Google. Okay. Okay, so it asks me if, okay, let's say I'm choosing this email, and I'm giving it my password, and oops, password is not correct. Forgot password. That should be my fine. Oh my goodness. Let me choose another account, maybe this one. I don't know why I forgot my password. Here we go. Yeah. Okay. So here, I mean, I logged in with Google. Okay. So there you have it. That's a look at my Rails project that I built it for my Flatiron project. Thank you so much for watching it.